There are several ways how to add a device to Dwarfguard. The recommended one is to install an agent on the device, as that provides the most functionality. We will show how to install a single device in Dwarfguard 2.0. If you need to install many devices, you should check out the automated agent deployment video instead. First, we need to download the agents. That can be done using the Download Agents shortcut. There is an agent per supported device type with the exception of Advantage agent that supports also the CSTech gateway device type. Once the agents are downloaded, you may also have a look at the View All Downloads page showing additional variants of the agents. Let's install agent for Advantage cellular routers first. The agent is a regular router app, also called user module in the older firmware versions. It is possible to install it via device web interface or via command line. The agent has a simple web interface showing some basic information like device ID, server URL, and allowing to expedite the next communication to server, stop and start the agent, inspect its log file, and set the logging verbosity. The Advantage agent has been extended in Dwarfguard 2.0 so that it can be installed the same way on a CSTech gateway device, and it also offers the same web interface there. Installing agent on Teltonika cellular router is done using command line. We need to copy the agent archive using SCP tool to the device first. Once done, we log into the device using SSH. The installation is performed using the System Package Manager OPKG, as the package is available in the IPK format. You may opt to install it from the targz format outside of the package manager purview if preferred. Once the agent is installed, you may want to look at some of the information and configuration. The agent does not provide web pages, but everything can be found under the /opt/adwarfg directory structure. Next, we show installation on an OpenVRT device. The installation is done via command line in this case. First, we copy the agent onto the device. You may opt to use the /tmp if the device has low free space left. As we see, the SSH server on the particular device is of older version, so we need to use the compatibility switch for the SCP tool. Once the file is there, we log in using SSH and install the IPK package using the standard OPKG packager. Refreshing the device webpage and selecting appropriate category, we see the package installed. The OpenVRT agent does not have web interface, but you can access the information the same way mentioned in the previous agent installation on a Teltonika device. Last agent we discuss here is the generic Linux agent. The agent works on many Linux distributions. The prerequisite is a use of either the systemd or sysvinit in a system so that the agent is able to hook into the boot up process to be started on boot time. Otherwise, the requirements are a bash shell and curl tool installed. You can install the agent on a device without systemd or standard sysvinit, but you would need to prepare the startup hoop during boot up time manually. The agent is not dependent on CPU architecture, as it is written completely as a shell script. The installation process for the Linux generic agent is very straightforward. You copy the package, uncompress it, and run the agent as root. The agent detects it is not installed yet and handles the installation process itself.